In this video tutorial, we'll provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Nzoq. Nzoq is the ransomware belonging to the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware is able to damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Of course, my video is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your data, all your files, without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this Nzoq ransomware may be easily injected into the device. And then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their files, because all these files are appended with the extension called Nzoq, and it is not possible to basically decrypt these files. The ransomware adds this Nzoq extension, and then it also reveals a special ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't pay it. I recommend that you remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. So go to this official website, combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the software, and then start researching your system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to effectively detect and eliminate all other types of threats. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely, the software will first of all update its anti-malware database. So truly this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, so do not skip this very important step. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature, which helps to protect the data from being encrypted, but Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files though. And there is no any other antivirus which would decrypt the files, by the way. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to Premium, and you can always request for the free trial to evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.